Google is about to make one of the biggest changes in the Android history. Starting soon, developers will need to go through the official verification before their apps can be installed, even if you sideload them or outside the Play Store. Let's break down exactly what this means, why Google is doing it, and why many users are calling it the end of Android freedom. Currently, Android lets you install apps from anywhere as long as you enable the sideloading. But beginning in 2026, that's changing. Only developers who go through Google's new verification system will be allowed to distribute apps that install on certified Android devices. Google has announced a clear timeline. An early access program for testing begins in October 2025. Verification open to all developers in March 2026, and enforcement begins in September 2026 in countries like Brazil, Indonesia, Singapore, and Thailand. After that, the rule expands worldwide in 2027. Google argues this is about security. According to company, apps installed from outside the Play Store are 50 times more likely to contain malware compared to those inside the Play Store. By verifying developers, Google want to stop the malicious actors from disappearing and reappearing under new names. Google also stresses that verification is not a full app review like Apple's App Store. They are only verifying who the developer is. If you are using Android device without Google Play services like Huawei phones or Amazon Fire tablets, this restriction won't apply. But for the majority of devices with Play Protect certification, side loading will be blocked until the apps come from a valid developer. Google also says that students, hobbyists, and small developers will have a simplified and free verification path, acknowledging that not everyone is running a professional app studio. On Reddit, many users say that this is basically the iPhoneification of Android. One wrote, "This has been the last straw. Every day they are asking steps to lock down Android like iOS." Another said, "I don't want to be a baby. The only reason I'm on Android is that I can do whatever I want." In other words, the war between security and freedom is just heating up. So, what does this mean for you? If you install apps only from the Play Store, your daily life won't change much. But if you are the type who loves modded apps, customs APKs, and independent app store, then starting in 2026, Android won't feel as open as it used to. Whether you call it safer or more restricted, it's clear this move will shape the future of Android for years to come. So that's it about today's video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Bye.